What's up, everybody, and happy Thursday to you all. I don't know about the rest of you guys, but I am so ready for this week to be over with. Like, it has been a very weird week. Like, weird. You know what I'm saying? But even more so than that, the weather here in Ohio has been just bonkers. Absolutely insane. It's like one day it's 77, the next day it's 44. I don't know if I'm coming or going. Do I turn the heat on? Do I turn the AC on? You know what I'm saying? It's crazy. Like, I've never seen anything like it. And maybe, I guess I'm just not here, from here originally, and that's what it is. But yeah, it's just crazy. But on the flip side of all of that, look at this sweater I got, you guys. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And it's so soft, insanely soft. And I paid like 16 bucks for it at Hollister. Like, it was a steal. They're having some really good deals right now. So if you have not checked it out, I'll link the sweater down below. Like, I got 3 of them. This one, a teal one, and a gray one. And I cannot get enough of them. They are so soft. Anyways, let's talk about today's video. This is the Allure Beauty Box, and this may very well be the cherry on top of the cake for this week, because if you guys remember last month, this was terrible. They had their price increase, so this is now $23 a month. I do pay for these, and yeah, we're gonna see if hopefully they did a little bit better this month than last month. Anything's gotta be better than last month. I would think. All right. So anyways, if you guys are ready, let's get into it. All right, you guys, so before we unbox this real quick, let's make a wager. How many makeup products do you think is going to be in this month's box? Now, keep in mind, last month it was loaded down with skincare. I mean, a lot. And this price just went up to $23. So this is the second box that is the $23 box. There's supposed to be 3 to 4 full-size products in there. The rest are going to be like deluxe, sample size, travel size, that kind of thing. So how many do you think is going to be makeup or should be makeup products? I feel like there should at least be 3. 3? I feel like that's fair. 3 makeup products. There should at least be. It's Allure Beauty, right? All right. We'll see what's going on. Oh, and you're not allowed to guess if you already know the answer either. If you've already got your box or you saw the spoilers, that's not fair. You're not allowed to guess. All right, you guys. So this is what the pamphlet looks like. Oh, yeah. This is not looking promising, you guys. Okay, so the first product here I'm going to pull out says Real Ferment Micro Essence. It's 93% microbiome ferment complex by Neogen Dermology. Neogen Dermology, yeah. So obviously this is definitely not a full size at all, so we're going to set that off to the side. Okay, we have an Allure product. I know this is also a sample or travel size. So this is the Allure Welcome to Skin Wellness Ultra Hydrating 12-Hour Facial Moisturizer. So this has adaptogens and super greens for an intense moisture for thirsty skin. All right, you guys. So listen, I think we received one of these like little Allure packets like a few months back in Allure. I think it was actually a face wash, and I was not a fan of it. I really wasn't. So I don't know if I'm going to use this or not. We're going to set it off to the side and we're going to move on. I think this might be a makeup product. Okay, so this says this is by Allure Beauty. We all know Allure, and it says it's a step 3. Am I missing? I guess they didn't give us 1 and 2. So this is step 3, Perfect Lip Bliss Moisturizing Lip Mask. So why didn't we get step 1 and 2? Okay, so yeah, it's a little tubey thingamajigger. Let's see what's going on here. Ooh, that actually smells really good, but that's actually scary because that's got a really strong smell. Okay, so the ingredients in here actually are not that bad. How? All right, you guys, this is literally the craziest thing I think I've ever seen. So the ingredients that are listed on the back of this Lip Bliss lip mask box and the ones that are on the back of the tube here are different. Like, they're different. I mean, like, the first ingredient is the same, and then there are some, like, similar ingredients. I'm just gonna have to show you guys because this is nuts. Like, I've never seen anything like this before in my life. Yeah, I'm gonna have to reach out to Allure about this because that's strange, and I don't think that's right. So now I'm a little weirded out. But here's what's crazy. The ingredients that are listed on the back of the tube here are actually pretty good, minus the parfum, the very last ingredient, the parfum, the reason why it smells like candy. But minus that, I mean, the ingredients are actually pretty good. Like the 7th ingredient is the cocoa seed butter, and then there's aloe extract. And yeah, I mean, there's some pretty good lip protecting qualities in here and things like that. So, but the ingredients don't match. So I'm not going to try this on. I'm going to set that to the side, and we're going to move on. I'll let you guys know what happens with that, because that's just weird. All right. Let's go on to, so we got the Perfect Shine Clarifying Scalp Scrub. By the way, we'll count this as a makeup item to get back to that. So we got 2 skincare, 1 makeup, and apparently a hair care item. And it doesn't look like, I don't think this is a full size either. So this is the Perfect Shine Clarifying Scalp Scrub, color safe, paraben free. And this is by Nature Lab. And it's like half full, you guys. I mean, it's less than half full. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that, but like, do you see all that? Look, oh my gosh, it's so crazy. Oh my God. It smells like my Nana though. It literally, I could just sit here and smell this all day. It smells like, do you guys know what like Pond's like face cream smells like? Like, that's what this smells like. It literally smells like my Nana. Okay, so I actually am kind of a little excited for that. I got stuff squishing out the top there because I do like scalp scrubs, and I do need something that's color safe because, hello, by the way, yes, my scalp is purple because I re-dyed my hair the other day and put a little too much Purple Rain in my little concoction there. All right, so the next product is by Josephine, and it's an eye dazzle. Ooh, so we got another makeup product. So we got 2 makeup products, 1 hair care, and 2 skincare. All right, so it looks like this is, it says an eye dazzle, natural long wear liquid eyeshadow. Ooh, this looks pretty, but I can't tell. So let's see. Okay, so it's got like one of those doe foots there, and that's what the color looks like, which is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's just try this out. I do got a little bronzer on my eye, but that's okay. And this doesn't go with my outfit either. But again, that's okay. We're just going with the flow here. Okay, so normally with these, I like to kind of paint them on, let them dry down a little bit, and then let's see. We're gonna grab a little blending brush and just blend this top part out here. Hopefully, if it blends, is it gonna blend? Oh yeah, okay, it's blending. Yeah, there we go. Ooh, this is like one of those one and done shadows. Hello. Yes. I will take all of the one and dones I can get. All right, so this is what it looks like. I don't know if I'm a big fan of this quite yet. I'm gonna have to play with this a little bit more because it may be the brush, not this stuff. By the way, if I didn't tell you, this is the color Leona. It is a really, really pretty color, but when you start blending it down, like, do you see this right here? It like makes these like little black marks right there, and I have one like right here. You know what I'm saying? So, but again, it might be this brush because this is a clean, I've never used this brush before, but this is one of those Makeup Revolution brushes. And as I've told you guys, they can be hit or miss. All right, let's move on to the next thing here we have is by Skin Medica. And this is the Instant Bright Eye Mask. It says contents, 2 single patches. So there's just one set of 2 eye patches on here. And I don't really like when they do this because on here it says ingredients. Please see back of carton, which means this obviously came in a carton that they broke down and just put one in everybody's box. And you really can't see if it's really going to work well if you don't have the entire box and have like a few sets of patches to try out. So I kind of feel like this is just a little bit of a waste and a filler product, basically. All right, the next thing we have here is by, it says Dermalect Cosmeceuticals, and it's a self-esteem beauty sleep serum. So more skincare. So we have skincare, and more skincare. We've only had 2 makeup products so far. So yeah, this basically looks like just a Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum, just as it says. It's got glycolic and salicylic and L-ascorbic acids in here. So if you have problems with zits or a lot of blackheads and things like that, this would probably be really, really good for you. So I'm going to put that back in there. And it looks like we're down to our last product, which is more skincare. And it's another mask. What did I say last time? I literally think that we have received a mask in every box for, I don't know, quite some time now. Like, I can't even remember the last time I didn't get a sheet mask in my Allure Beauty box. All right, so let me know down below, what do you guys think about this box? I definitely have some thoughts. So we have a lot of skincare. Once again, I definitely do not feel like this is $23 worth. And I'm weirded out by this, but I don't think this was an Allure thing. I think this is a Mannequin thing. But yeah, I mean, not a lot of makeup, a lot of skincare again. We got one hair care product. I do like getting hair care products as long as it's only like 1 or 2, maybe tops. But when you don't have a lot of makeup and then you have a ton of skincare and then hair care, then it gets to be a little bit annoying. You know what I mean? So I definitely feel like Allure needs to step it up because this is a $23 box. They're raising the price on it and they're not raising their standards. They're not putting bigger. I mean, honestly, these are pretty much the same type of boxes that we got when it was $15. So I feel like they're giving us the same type of boxes, but then raise the price on it. So I don't really agree with that. And again, they have one more month with me. So this was the first month that they gave me my little deal thing. December is the last month. If they don't step it up, this box is definitely going to be canceled because I can't do this for $23. This is nuts. And even really for, I mean, for $15, this is worth it. But for $23, I mean, that's almost $10 more. Yeah, I cannot recommend this to you guys at all. Yeah, and it sucks because I really liked Allure. But that is all I have for you guys today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to let you know what happens with this because I'm a little curious about this right here. You know what I'm saying? All right. I hope you guys have a fabulous night tonight, and I'll see you all next time.